The world is becoming more competitive, and particularly in the world of finance, is highly competitive. So to me, I think it is important to equip ourselves on an individual level and on a macro level be able to identify major trends. On individual level, say for example, we have to equip ourselves in terms of the impact of innovation and technology on the accounting and finance sector. Things like fintech, like using AI in the area of our work, that is very important. And secondly, green transition. This is a global agenda. This is embraced by the entire world and is part of the high quality development of the country. So in anticipation for that, we have also to equip ourselves in the area of green finance and the related discipline. On a macro institutional level, the recent example is to try to drive changes in the operating environments that we are in, so that we ensure the environment, the institutional arrangements are up to date. Take for example, in 2018, we lobby for changes to the listing rules. Now, new economy companies, particularly tech companies, could be listed on our stock exchange even without profit record or revenue record. That brings tremendous new flow of business to the accounting profession, as well as a new flow of companies to be listed on our exchange. So I think it is important for us to step back to be able to identify and recognize the macro trends, what is coming in the coming decade or two, and then how should we respond. The unique position and unique competitive advantages of Hong Kong is under the one country, two systems arrangement, giving us the international facing. We, on the one hand, connect to the mainland, but on the other hand, we have the advantages of capturing the international dimension in terms of business and other areas. If I may use an example, say for example in the area of green transition, estimate puts that in the coming 2-3 decades, in Asia alone, the demand for green investment would be in the order of about 66 trillion US dollar. So no government can fund it alone. We must leverage capital market. So in that process, there are tremendous opportunities for the accounting profession in terms of green finance, and not just raising money, but also to ensure there is no greenwashing. There is assurance and certification services required of the accountants, and also standard setting, and also disclosure requirements, and also converging the international standards with the mainland standards. And above all, we also need to contribute to capacity building, training the required talents in preparation for that. So I hope by leveraging our unique position and competitive advantages, that would be able to not just bring economic growth for us, career opportunities for us, but also in the process helping mainland to drive its high quality growth, in particular in green transition.